Welcome back, viewers. In this video, we are going to see about a amazingly functioning technological chair, which is used by Dr. Stephen William Hawking, which has great and special features. Why does a chair needs technology and this much technological features? Who developed such a chair? How it works? Now let's explore. It was Peter Benny, who is the developer of this amazing chair, who built it with a huge technology in it, which took more than 4 years to complete it successfully along with his team. And it was commonly known as the Red Wheel chair, which includes many special features for him. It contains devices and features like speech synthesizer, IR sensor, a 12-inch display, tablet computer, universal remote, peripheral device along with battery backup. Also, it has many minute expensive inbuilt technologies. Speech synthesizer. It's nothing but a computerized device that takes inputs, interprets the data and produces it into an audible form or language. It is capable of translating any text into audible language or form, which plays a key role. The IR sensor. It's the infrared radiation sensor. It clearly detects infrared radiations to sense the environment. It is used to detect the presence of human, and it detects by the motion of a human around. Radiation changes according to the temperature in that place, which is a feature present in the Red Wheel chair. And it is used here to detect the moves of his cheek muscle to detect and convert it into his own form. And a 12-inch display is present in this special chair, which allows him to compose lectures, check mails, and use even Skypes for calls and other purposes. And especially a tablet computer, Windows tablet computer, Lenovo ThinkPad X230T with Core i7 processor is present in this chair, which is a much essential one for him, which coordinates and controls all electronic devices and other systems on this chair. And there is a universal remote, which is used to operate TV, music, lights, and even open and close doors, both at office work and at home. It is a great technology is used and present in this chair. And a peripheral box is present, which contains USB hub, audio amplifier, along with the voltage regulator for different subsystems is present in this chair. For all these, the whole power requirement for this technological functioning chair is taken from the batteries, which is located under the seat. Also, it contains backup batteries. And it is such amazing, excellent technologically functioning chair, which allows a person to sit and do lots of things in office, work as well as in home. It's also a thought-controlled wheelchair. A special technology is present in it. When we speak, our nerve signals are transmitted to brain and throat. But when our muscles are not strong enough to produce sound, the subvocal speech automatically gets produced, even when our thoughts are directed and converted into audible form. This is a technology invented by NASA, which is used for severely disabled people. So when we think, the thoughts are automatically detected and converted into subvocal forms or audible forms. Overall, this much amazing and useful features are present in this chair, which was used by Stephen William Hawking. Incredibly, in his chair, he uses all functions of his Windows tablet PC using a single switch. Also, special interface keys are present in this chair for him. And overall, it shows us clearly that his link to the overall world is provided by the computer technology and other technologies built and present in his special wheelchair. We hope that you enjoyed this video and known some amazing and incredible facts and features about this special technological functioning chair. Also, share this video with your friends to share this information with them. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.